Hi friends. In this video, we'll be looking into the sum of the special series. So far, we get discussed about the sum of the arithmetic series and the geometric series. And here are some few topics like special series and which is not arithmetic or geometric, and how to find out that sum for that. Yeah. For example, the first case is the sum of the first n natural numbers. So, if in a problem, if you given from 1 to 100 or 1 to some 2000, you need to find out that sum of the natural numbers. Then you can use this formula, and the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So the same formula if we apply for the sum of the first n odd natural numbers, that is, this is only for the odd numbers. So we will be getting n square. So the formula for the sum of the first n odd natural numbers is equal to n square. Then sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, that is like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus up to n square. So to find out the series, sum of this series, the formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And other one is the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. So that is like 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube. And the formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. So this is like the value of the sum of the first n natural numbers. The value is n into n plus 1 by 2, the same value square. So these are the special series which we will be going through in this topic in this video as well. First, sum of the following series 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 60. So for the first problem, we can directly use the formula for sum of the first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So here n is equal to 60 in this case. So we can use the value of the n is equal to 60. So 60 into n plus 1, that is 61 divided by 2. And we will be getting the value as 1830. 1830. Next sum 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 96. So this series is not starting from 1. So to apply the formulas, we should have that series that is starting from 1. So to convert that into that form, what we can do is we can take the 3 as a common out from the series. So if we take the 3 common out, then we will be getting 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 32. And then for this 1 to 32, we can use the formula of the n into n plus 1 by 2. So 3 into 32 into 33 by 2, that is equal to 1584. Next is sum 51 plus 52 plus 53 up to 92. So here if we see, this is not starting from 1, this series is starting from 51 to 92, and we need the sum of these numbers. So what we can do was, we can divide this into two series. One is the from 1 to 92, this is one series. From this summation, we can subtract the summation of 1 to 50. So the balance will be from 51 to 92. So like this, we can take as a two series. This given series we can split into two series, so that we can apply this formula. So now 1 2 3 up to 92, this is one series. Here n value is equal to 92. For the next series 1 to 50, and here the n value is 50. So there will be two series, we can apply the formula for each. So for the first series 92 into 93 divided by 2, and for the second one 50 into 51 by 2. So finally we will get the value as 3003. Next is an example for the squares. So in this sum, if we see 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus up to 225 is given. This series we can derive as the squares of the natural numbers, like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square plus up to 15 square. So n value will be 15, and directly we can apply this formula. That is the sum of the squares, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So n value is equal to 15, we can directly apply. So 15 into 16 into 2 into n plus 1, that is 2 into 15, 30 plus 1, 31. N plus 1 is 15 plus 1, 16. Like this we can apply, divided by 6. So directly we can apply the formula and we will be getting the sum. Next sum, if 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k is equal to 325, then find the value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to k cube. So here we see the first given is the sum of the natural numbers, then they ask the sum of the cubes, sum of the cubes of the natural numbers. So formula for the cube for the first year natural numbers,